What's up? It's ya girl, Mia. Sorry, it's ya girl, Mia. And today, oh my goodness. Okay, so today I'm doing my ring. I'm just kidding. My whole slime collection. So yes, let's get started. So first slime I have is this little Play-Doh. I mean, a lot of people don't consider Play-Dohs as slime, but this one's special. So I put some like shaving cream and lotion inside of this Play-Doh, and now it's soft and stretchy. It's really, really nice. So yeah, that is the first one. The second one is this one, and it's called Shamrock Shake. It's inspired by the Shamrock Shake, and it is actually the color of Shamrock Shake, but there's glitters in it, blue glitters. Just looks white, but it's actually like a mint green. Blue glitters. So anyway, so the next slime I have is this Floam. It's really, really nice. Shut up, Luxa. Sorry, it's my Alexa. I call her Luxa. She's annoying. Then I have this bunch of berries Floam, and it's a full Floam, and it's really crunchy. Like, listen to this crunch. So that is a bunch of berries Floam. Then I have, sorry, my ring is getting in the way. Then I have this sparkly slime, and it's really, really pretty. I haven't really named this one yet. I think it's really pretty. I think I might just name it Heart. I have idiotic names for slimes, so don't judge me. But this is Heart. And then I have this butter slime. It's a Play-Doh butter slime. So the butter slime is made with Play-Doh, and it's really, really nice. I put another piece of Play-Doh in, and it's not all mixed in. So there's just like a stray piece of Play-Doh in here. It's really, really nice butter slime. It's really cool. And I'm just going to poke this for you guys. Really nice pokes and pokes. So, yep. So the next one is yogurt. It's just called yogurt, and it's really, really nice. I left some of these slimes out on my deck, so some of these slimes might be really hard. I just went and got them before this video. So this is yogurt. It's really pretty. It has foam beads in it. Different color variations of foam beads. So the next one is a jiggly clear slime, but I'm not going to take it out. I'm just going to play with it in the bag. Alright, so this one is a fluffy glitter slime. It's made with this glitter glue, but I just got a new bottle. But it's really, really nice. It's called Galaxy. And then I'm going to do 2 more slimes. So the next slime is this pink one. It's really cool. I'm naming it Pink V-Day. It's really, really nice. Poke it on my table. I just poke it on my table. Alright, so one more slime. My last slime, not my last slime, but this slime is a mandarin orange slime. I made this kind of slime up. It is a really, really, really lotiony slime, stretchy slime with orange foam beads and big gold chunky glitters. And the bubble pops are supposed to be amazing. And I made this one. I have some of these slimes from fans. And you guys, I'm doing a paper squishy restock for my Etsy shop. They made a paper squishy, so stay tuned. So this is mandarin orange slime. It's gonna call it creamsicle. Then I decided not to. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is only part 1. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe down below. And make sure to comment down below some video ideas. So yeah, see you guys later. Bye!